Another type of contracting option available for dental practices now is a lease partnership agreement. So let's just use the same example of Aetna. The practice decides that Aetna is an insurance company that is relevant. There are patients that could potentially come into the practice. We can serve those patients and they can help us grow our dental business. So we reach out to Aetna. Aetna gives us a set of fees that are not necessarily feasible for us to work with. We have overhead, we have expenses, and we want to be properly compensated for the work that we're doing to our patients. Another alternative would be we can figure out if Aetna has a lease partnership agreement with other companies that may hold part of that network. And so Aetna has direct contracts available for the dental practices, as well as relationships with other affiliate companies in which, if we choose to not participate directly, we can tap into that relationship. And we can use the example, let's say, of Zealous. Zealous is a company that has multiple different insurances under their network, and it is also the term referred as umbrella insurances. So you're signing one contract with Zealous, but you're tapping into their relationship with Aetna through their lease partnership agreement. Now, a term commonly used to refer to a lease partnership agreement nowadays is a third-party agreement. However, they're referring to them as TPAs, and TPAs stands for third-party administrator. And so I just want people to understand the difference between a lease partnership agreement and a third-party administrator. And what a third-party administrator is a company that holds the administrative role for a smaller insurance company, but they don't process claims, they don't deal with the eligibility, they don't have anything to do with them. They just basically, the insurance company outsources the administration to this third-party company. Now, in the world of contracting, when we use a third-party contract, which is a lease partnership agreement, say you're using Zealous to see the Aetna patients. When you join and you sign a contract with Zealous, you are never going to submit a claim to Zealous. You deal directly with the insurance company Aetna instead of doing anything with Zealous. The only purpose and use of Zealous in this scenario will be that you use the partnership agreement or the lease partnership affiliation between Zealous and Aetna.